So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the weekend vlog. So guys, it is Easter Friday. By the time this vlog goes up, will be Easter Monday. So I hope you guys had a great and safe, enjoyable Easter weekend. I don't really have much plans for the Easter weekend. I know Sunday I'm going down Granville to meet my mother-in-law, and other than that I have no plans for this Easter weekend. So I guess both of us will see what unfolds, I guess. About 10 o'clock right now. I'm gonna make some pink salmon, the one in the can, and some fry bake, and that will be lunch. Yeah guys, another thing I wanted to ask you, for Easter, when I was like a kid, my parents used to put like the egg white in a glass with some water and then put it out in the sun, something like that, and it's supposed to form like either a house or a horse or something like that. We used to do that when I was a kid, and sometimes it will form like a house, sometimes it form like a boat. So I'm curious to know if you guys still do that tradition, or if you know about that tradition, I should say. Let me know, sound off in the comments down below, and let me know if you ever tried it, or if you know of someone who tried it and had a great result. I wanted to do this one, but I woke up a bit later than usual. By late I mean like 7. I know that's still pretty early. Let me know if you do that tradition. And usually for Easter we normally go to the church in Siparia, either pastora, I think that's it, and we go to the church, we do our offering with our sweet olive oil, give charity to the homeless, like whether that be money, clothes, whatever. We usually give money. Friday we do that. We used to do that, but then COVID happened, and well, we haven't done it since then. But it used to be really nice. It's kind of heartbreaking to see so much homeless people just gather in one spot waiting for some sort of help. That's what we used to do for Easter. Maybe next year, depending on how COVID goes, maybe next year we might go back to the church and do our offering and whatever. But I have some press-ons to apply. I'll show you guys that and come back to you guys when something interesting happens. So, bye. Pet station, guys.
Right, so these are the bubble. Advisory, start with the beef first, right? We start the bubble, then we start the cook, right?
Okay.
And this should bring through, right?
Alright.
And one chopsticks.
Yeah.
If you try use chopsticks, have this. I don't want to show you guys, right?
Okay.
So you can just get right? One to you. One to you also, right? Now finish the rest off, so you can put the bubble. Put the bubble just now. Part of the beef, we'll cook, put the sauce and so kita makan mak sudah service bubble, right?
Alright.
Beef or lamb? Lamb. Lamb.
Maybe lamb, sorry. Exactly same, so. Right, so we'll put it on very short, right?
Okay, great.
Leave this one last. Say, leave this last. So no, the shrimp up and then leave it absorb all the juice.
Okay. So you have some lamb there, vegetables, ramen, the broth, waiting for it to come to a boil to add our lamb. And yeah, get cooking.
Inside, here. On. They boil a little bit and then we'll come back to it, right?
Okay.
So one. Take over the lamb. Oh, you get the hang of this one.
Soft and nice.
You see, this method of cooking is more healthier,
Yeah.
more fresh, more reliable to you. So you adjust your taste buds to your liking.
Yeah, it's really
Right, so,
good.
and then this will have plenty flavor in it. Right, so enjoy a lot of pot.
Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
advising you, just after this section, say. Right, so what are we going to do? Right, you can mix with these two, right?
Okay.
Two always this shrimp.
Yeah.
One piece for you, two for you. Two for you as well, right?
Yeah, man.
For this order on own.
Okay.
Right, so. Right, so I just see the shrimp about 2 to 3 minutes. I just see that it cool,
Yeah.
it cook, right?
Okay. Thank you. Look at this fish. He's a player. He be kissing other fishes and then check, 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 bang. Papa, you. Who you gonna kiss now? Let me see. This fish, guys. This one, he's a player. Go and kiss on me. Hey, right now you wasting my memory on my phone and it's either you do something or we have put you. Alright guys, so we just finished our hot pot experience. It was really nice, super fun to just, you know, experience something different from the norms. Like usually you go to a Chinese restaurant, you order off the menu, they bring you your food and then you eat and go. But this experience was really nice because you get to order which meat you want, your vegetables, and you gotta cook it for yourself, and that's super cool. The guy who served us, which was Kareem, that was his name. Super friendly, who walked us through the entire process. Very informative, great service, I must say. The waiting time was not long because we ordered wontons and that came within like 5 minutes, and then we ordered a hot pot and that came like within 10-15 minutes, and it literally only take like 3 minutes for your meats to cook. So yeah, you can cook it longer. However, I don't like lamb. We ordered a hot pot lamb and a hot pot shrimp. Each hot pot is $150. You have to order your veggies one side. Everything is paid separately. So the hot pot is just for the sauce, the broth. You can choose between a spicy broth or a mushroom broth. We chose a spicy broth. That was really good. Not too spicy. However, if you don't eat spicy food, it will be a little spicy for you. What else? What else? I'm trying to think.
Live chicken.
Oh, they also, if you want chicken hot pot, they have to catch the chicken. So they have live chickens in cage, and they will catch a chicken, kill it, and you can get live chicken for hot pot. Same thing with the fish, as you guys seen in the previous video. They have tilapia.
Yeah.
They have tilapia in the tank, so if you want, you can choose your tilapia. I guess you could choose which one you want. I don't know, but yeah, live fish, and they whip it up right there on the spot. They also have lobster, but today they didn't have any lobster, but they usually have lobster. And yeah, it was such a fun experience. They also give you a whole set of sauce, so you got chives, garlic, Chinese barbecue marinade, and sesame oil, soy sauce. They have like their own kind of pepper sauce, which kind of mixed with, I don't know, some kind of oil, some kind of chili oil, some oyster sauce, something to make up a pepper sauce. And you mix each of that in your little bowl, as you guys seen in the previous video, in the previous clip. You mix all of that in your little ramekin, and then that is what you're gonna use for your sauce. So when you cook your meat, you just dip it in that, and it's divine. So yeah, that's about it.
Yeah.
It is Sunday, continuation of the weekend vlog. We're heading down to Granville to meet my in-laws. Also, I wanted to give a shout out to one of my subscriber, Maya. She's also a family friend, like a baby sister to me, watches all my videos. So shout out to you, Maya. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you for always keeping my mom company when I'm not around. Don't worry, I don't hate you. If there's anything, I love you even more. So yes, shout out to you, Maya. Alright guys, we stopped by Wally's to get some wings. Last week when we was coming down here, the wings, we bought their hot wings, and it was so freaking delicious. Honestly, one of the best hot wings I had in a really long time. So yeah guys, famous Wally's.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Alright guys, so we touched on Granville. Look who, Varun and Alvin. Alvin, why are you hiding? But I still seen you. So Varun, tell them how much crab you catch in your trap now.
9 crab in total. 16 we have in the bag already. Tomorrow is crab and dumpling.
What? So you set back more traps?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. You could take a video. Tell them I'll take a video so she has to. Tell everybody Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
You enjoying yourself? You went to the beach?
No.
You went to the beach? I saw you playing on the beach yesterday. Oh, my earring hook up on your heat. Okay. How was the Easter hunt?
Good.
How much eggs you get?
3.
Only 3? Oh, we gotta get some more eggs for you. Why are you so sad though? Why are you not talking anything? Okay, tell everybody bye.
Bye.
What?
I can do harder.
I don't want you to do harder though. Next thing you fall. No longer swim like this. Get him. Oh, no, we do it.
Watch, the man like he had no house, he playing Colorado tree. Cutlass mango.
Wow. Such a cutie. Cute.
Stop me, stop the
You're
car.
not step by room every day we come and collect it.
Wow. How much you got?
Tomorrow you can cut on
I got the tree in there.
Oh, nice. Happy Easter, everyone!